Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share one tips or tricks for searching for the while searching for the cars, used cars from the CarMax. So CarMax probably you all know. So probably when you are looking for a used vehicle, you go here and search for say Honda CRV, EX and EX trim between 2019 and 2020. So once you hit the enter, it will show all the different vehicles that are available. So you did some search and then you bookmarked or kind of saved few of the vehicles by clicking this kind of love sign. So I did that. So this is my saved cards that I have put. So say for example, you did it in some working days and you thought that okay, in the weekends, I'll go over in more details in these cards and then decide which one to buy. But say for example, in between some other person has put a vehicle in hold. That means he is planning to buy that vehicle. So once a vehicle is in hold, it will not, and the first thing is this link will not be active anymore. Like say for example, this link is active, so I can always click here and then see the vehicle, everything. But this vehicle, since it's on hold, so it will show that it's no longer available, but actually it's not yet sold. Somebody has put on hold. So this link is no more active. And also most importantly, the price is also not be shown. So you will have difficulty to decide which one to kind of go for, or should we wait for this car, or what to do. So I am going to tell you tips how to know this vehicle price. So first you have to, so if I click in this vehicle, I will get to the page corresponding to these vehicles. Okay, so first you need to get the corresponding page for this vehicle also. I have already made a separate video for that, how to get this link. Okay, so just a quick recap of that one. To get these vehicles, this page, what you have to do, first right click on this vehicle and open the image. So in this image, you see this is the URL and this is the vehicle number. So you copy this vehicle number, and now from already the vehicle which the cars whose link is active, which I have opened here, you just paste it here. So you got this vehicle. So you can see this is 2019 CR EXL. This is 2019 Honda CRV EXL. Okay. So here also you can see it's not showing the price. It will show everything but not the price. So you can see all the specifications, all the images. You can rotate it to see everything. You can go inside of these cars to see in different angles from different driver seat positions and everything, but it does not show you the price anymore. So how to get this price? So what you do, just right click on this page and go to the view page source. This view page source will be there in any browser. Right now I am using Chrome though. Go to this view page source and then you search for the word, let me see, yeah, no haggle price. So you search for no haggle price. Okay, yeah. Oh, sorry, I have not copied. Okay, this one. I'm searching different things. Yeah, no haggle price. So you see, just beside this one, you will see the actual price of this vehicle. So the price is, though the price is hidden, you can get the price from here. Okay, so let's try for some vehicle for which we know the price. So let's see, say for this one, it's 2018 Honda CRV EXL. So you know the price is almost 29K. So click this, open this tab. So you got this tab. This is the vehicle. I am always saying the vehicle is actually car. Okay, then go to view page source. Now control V, no haggle price. So here you go, 28,998, same price. So this is how any vehicle, any cars that that is under hold, but you still want to know the price of that car, this is how you can get it. So once you know the price of that of these cars, you can kind of, if some cars are on hold, you can wait for it, or if some cars are not on hold, you can put it on hold for you and then you can buy it. So hope this one helps. You try it by yourself, then you will learn more. So just before I finish this video, another tips. Say for example, they have changed. So right now the variable that they are using is no haggle price. So later on they might change. So I am recording this video in September 2021. So they might change this variable name. So in that case, you just open a known vehicle and then say 28998, search for its price in the view page, source page. Okay, so here you so if someday CarMax decide to change the variable name, so you will know the variable name from here, and then you can use the same technique to know the price of any other cars that are right now on hold and the price is not showing in the browser. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps. Bye.